Dear student, previous class we are discussing regarding the genesis of the periodic tables, how the periodic table is built. Okay, it's a step-by-step process. Okay, initially very few number of elements are discovered. Now 114 elements are present in our periodic tables. Okay, now we'll move for the construction regarding the modern periodic table. So in this arrangement of what, according to modern periodic law, what it says, increasing order of what, atomic number, increasing order of atomic number. Based on the atomic number they will arrange the molecules. Here this is the exact picture of what our modern periodic table. And here just see, it's a table and regularly arranged or systematically arranged the element. Okay, and in this periodic table, also called as a long form periodic table, it's also called a long form periodic table. And just see here, I'll write once again, and this is the actual structure of what, periodic table and long form periodic table. Why? Because here see F or ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೆದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕೂಡ it's a part of what, this periodic table, and ತುಂಬಾ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ this portion will cut it and which is placed just below the periodic table. Okay, and this portion will join to first portion like this. Now this that's why it is called, previously it's a long form, so it's also called periodic table, also called long form periodic tables. And in this periodic table there are particular terms are terms, and just see here like this. Okay, 4 5 one more 7. See, everything is made by the different kinds of tables. Okay, boxes, that box here particular names are there, that box containing particular names. In that the first term, that is periods. What are periods? Here periods are nothing but what, horizontal rows. In a periodic table there should be an horizontal rows are present. So ಏನು ಅಡ್ಡ lines ಇದೆ, that are what, horizontal rows. That horizontal rows are known as periods. Okay, horizontal rows. Okay, horizontal rows are called as an what, periods. And what are groups? One more term, that is groups. Groups are nothing but vertical columns. Group are nothing but vertical columns. Here it's the first group. Okay, first group, second group, like that. So whatever the columns present in a vertical direction, that are called as an what, groups. Groups are nothing but vertical columns. Okay, groups are nothing but vertical columns. These two are very important terms present in a periodic table, modern periodic table. Next we'll move for the family. What are the families? Families is nothing but, so every elements made by the proton, neutron and electron. For example, X is an element. For example, X is an element, Z is an atomic number, A is a mass number. If Z equal to 3, consider if Z equal to 3, so Z is nothing but number of protons. Okay, it's nothing but, Z is nothing but proton number. So proton is an positively charged species. Proton is an positively charged species. This positively charged species ST there, that's equal to the number of negative charge species. The negative charge is nothing but electrons. Okay, so any atom that should consist what, proton, neutron and electron. Neutron should be neutral, proton should be positively charged species, and neutrons are the negative charge. Okay, negative charge particles. So periodic table based on the atomic number as well as electrons. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ family ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, why should we call family? Outermost electron, the last electron should be belongs to the same orbitals. Okay, last electron should be in a same orbital that are considered in a family. For example, in this there are 4 kinds of families are there. Okay, what are they? So S, family number 1, that is S, then family number 2 P, and family number 3 D, and the last one the F family. Okay, there are 4 families are there: S, P, D, F in a regular manner. Okay, S, P, D, F, there are 4 families. Why they are taken is a S, P, D, F? Because orbitals are named as an S, D, P and F, and these are particularly placed in a particular position only. Leftmost side of the periodic table there should be the S family, and rightmost family there should be the P. In between these two, it's like a bridge. Okay, so that are called as an D family, and the F should be beside the or below the periodic table. Below the periodic table, that is F, that are family. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ family ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we can say electron filling to the outermost shell, that will decide the families. Now after family, okay, after family, according to IUPAC, okay, IUPAC means what? International Union for Pure Applied Chemistry, pure and applied chemistry. According to him, this periodic table classified into several groups and several periods. How many groups are there? How many periods are there? First we'll move for the periods. Okay, periods are nothing but what? Horizontal rows. Periods are nothing but horizontal rows present in that. So horizontal in the sense like this. Okay, so how many periods are there? 1 to 7. There are 7 periods present in a periodic table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And groups are, how many groups are there? Okay, how many groups? Groups are nothing but what? Vertical rows. Vertical in the sense in a like this. Okay, and how many groups are there now? 1 to 18. 1 to 18 groups are present in this periodic table. 1 to 18 groups are present in this periodic table. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in a D block, it will 3 to 12 groups are there. 3 to 12 groups are there. Here P block 13 to 18. 13 to 18 groups are present in this, and this F block will consider in this 3 to 12 groups only. Okay, 3 to 12 groups alle consider ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Even it is in a long form ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ that should be considered in a D block only. This is about what? Groups and periods. Total number of periods is to total number of groups is to, that you should know. And already you studied little regarding the periodic table in a lower section. Okay, but here we'll discuss in detail. Okay, we'll discuss in detail. Now elements. Move for the elements. So these rows and each columns or each box having the, okay, once you write like this, okay, now it is an what? Periods and columns, groups. Now it becomes boxes. That boxes should fill with the elements. Here also these boxes will fill with the element, and here hydrogen is the first element in a periodic table. First element in a periodic table. Here this is the order. Okay, this is the order. So it is increasing order. Here hydrogen 1, next helium will come. That is 2. Hydrogen, helium, then lithium will come. Here lithium, beryllium. Okay, D block ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನ 13 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬೋರಾನ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್, ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ and neon. This is the increasing order. So ಹೇಗೆ increasing order? Here 1 atom, here 2, and here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the increasing order of what? Elements or atomic numbers according to modern periodic table. So total number of elements is to already know 114. How it will be filled? This is in first period. In this first period, how many elements are there? This entire column is in first period. This entire column should be first period. And the first period having only 2 elements. Okay, first period having only 2 elements, that are what? Helium and hydrogens. And subsequent periods are next ಬರುವಂತ periods, so that are based on the number of electron field basis ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿರುವಂತದ್ದು, that are consist 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay, so here what is that? 8, 8, 18 and 32. Second and third period, that should having the 8 elements. Just count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 elements present in a second period. Even in a third period also, that should having the 8 elements only. So it is an second period, third period. Okay, both are having 8 elements. And after third period, fourth period having the ಡಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 10 electron extra, and you should remember S, P, D, F, these are the orbitals. Okay, these are the orbitals. For S orbital we can fill, just remember, we'll discuss in detail in upcoming chapters. Okay, only 2 electrons we can fill. Here 6 electron we can fill for the P orbital, D orbital 10, F orbital should be 14. That should be the maximum number of electron we can fill. So electron fill ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that are number of proton should be equal. So based on that proton we can arrange the periodic table. Okay, so we should remember. Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ in detail. Okay, in detail. Just S block ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2, P block ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6, D ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 and F should be 14. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ D block insertion ಆಗಿದೆ, and you know third period having 8 elements, right? So 8 ಇಲ್ಲಿ S ಮತ್ತೆ P ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. S 2 plus P 6. But in a D block or after 4th period D block will come. In a D block, so D get 10 electron extra, 2 plus 6 plus 10, that's equal to 18. So 4th period having 18, 5th period also having 18 elements, and 6th period having F block. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay, this is should be 6th period. Okay, 6th period. So 14 element extra, 18 plus 14, that's equal to 32. So in a 6th period there are 32 elements are present. After the last one, 7th period, in a 7th period there are some elements are not discovered yet. Okay, ಇನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ lesser than the 32, lesser than the 32 elements are present, lesser than the 32. Okay, so ಇನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ lesser than 32 in a 7th period, only in a 7th period. So from this concept, competitive exam ge very important. Okay, so all concept based on the periodic table. Okay, so in organic ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ based on the periodic table. So you can expect 1 or 2 questions from the periodic table chapter, on the classification chapter only. Very important concept for the entire chemistry. Okay, 7th period. Now here what may be the questions asked. Here maximum number of elements in a periods. Okay, total number of, or which periods having the maximum number of elements. We can easily say 6th period having the maximum number of elements, that is 32. Okay, so 32 elements are discovered. The next, least number of element present in a row, that should be the first period, because only 2 elements are present. Okay, highest ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 6th period ಅಲ್ಲಿ, least ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ first period ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so this is regarding the concept of what, or general instruction regarding the periodic tables. I hope you understood what is a periodic table, what is a long form, what is a group, what is periods. That are very important questions for 1 mark. ಓಕೆ, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ದೆನ್ which elements are present, sorry, how many elements are present in each row, that you should remember. Okay, this is regarding the periodic table. Next class we will continue with the one more concept, that is the nomenclature.